If you didn't know, Moringa tea is made by steeping the leaves of the moringa tree in boiling water. Most people add a drop or two of honey for added natural sweetness. The moringa tree has a long history that dates back to thousands of years. Native to the Indian subcontinent and also found in parts of Africa, moringa has been used in traditional medicine such as Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani for its therapeutic benefits. While the moringa leaves also have culinary uses as they are edible and can be used in soups, stews, or salads as a nutritional leafy greens. In today's video, we will focus mainly on how drinking a cup of moringa tea daily can help the body. Stay with us. A cup of moringa tea is a good way to supply the body with vital nutrients and minerals. Rich in vitamin C, potassium, calcium, iron, and other essential minerals, drinking moringa tea daily could help older adults reduce the dependence on over-the-counter supplements and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. The second benefits of drinking moringa tea is that it works to boost digestive health. With a cup of moringa tea, you can get relief from digestive conditions such as gas, bloating, and constipation. The high fiber content of the moringa leaves helps soothe the digestive tract, promoting better bowel movement. In one study of the moringa leaves, it was found that the flavonoids and polyphenols helped reduce stomach acidity by around 85%, suggesting that it can help prevent peptic ulcers. In addition to promoting healthy gut bacteria, the moringa leaves extract work as a natural laxative by adding bulk to stool, reducing the symptoms of constipation. The third health benefits of moringa tea is that it helps to balance blood sugar. Diabetes is one of many health issues bothering older adults in most parts of the world, and the good news is that a cup of moringa tea daily can help prevent diabetes. Here's how. The moringa leaves are loaded with quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which are known to inhibit the growth of free radicals that contribute to insulin resistance. These compounds also helps regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption in the bloodstream after meals. High cholesterol is another risk factor for diabetes, but the moringa leaves are capable of lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, reducing the risk of developing diabetes. A cup of moringa tea helps to boost energy levels. The body needs energy to support the day's task, and while you may enjoy a can of Red Bull or your favorite energy drink at the start of the day, a cup of moringa tea might be the healthier choice. Here's why. Moringa is a rich source of plant-based calcium, iron, protein, and vitamins. These nutrients supports the body by encouraging the development and maintenance of bone cells. The high levels of protein in moringa leaf help support energy levels by repairing worn-out tissues in the body. This encourages the synthesis of neurotransmitters that regulate energy production. The iron content of the moringa leaf helps support energy levels by promoting the transportation of oxygen around the cells of the body, which helps to reduce symptoms of tiredness and fatigue. The fifth benefit of moringa tea is that it helps to boost brain health. Compounds such as flavonoids and polyphenols in the moringa leaf help safeguard the brain against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's by preventing the accumulation of toxins in the brain cells. These compounds also help ensure steady blood circulation to the brain, which aids in the transportation of oxygen and nutrients to the brain, improving overall cognitive function. The rich supply of vitamins E and C in the moringa leaf promotes the synthesis of neurotransmitters in the brain. This improves the communication between the cells and neurons of the brain, resulting in better memory and concentration.
Moringa tea is often touted as a natural detoxifying agent due to its rich blend of nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds. The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxification. Moringa contains compounds like catechins and flavonoids that may protect liver cells from damage and improve their function. Moringa tea has mild diuretic properties that may help flush out excess water and toxins from the body through increased urination. This supports kidney function, another key player in detoxification. Although the tea itself has less fiber than the whole leaves, consuming moringa tea alongside powdered moringa or fresh leaves can promote digestive health. Fiber helps eliminate waste and toxins through the digestive tract. Drink a cup of moringa tea in the morning to kickstart your metabolism and support detox processes throughout the day. You can also pair moringa tea with plenty of water to stay hydrated and enhance toxin elimination.
Tea drinking is a big part of many cultures. If you enjoy a cup of tea as a way of getting hydrated or adding some nutrients and vitamins into your diet, you want to try moringa tea. Aside from the fact that you get to support your mental and physical health if you drink it daily, you will also get to benefit from a quality drink that helps to balance your diet. Do make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you never miss any new video updates. See you next time.